Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Canva templates for onboarding screens in apps. Step to download Canva templates for onboarding screens in apps. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Canva website. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free account. If you already have an account, sign in with your credentials. Once on the Canva dashboard, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type onboarding screen templates into the search bar. Press the Enter key to see the available templates. Browse through the various onboarding screen designs that appear. Click on a template that catches your eye for more details. Once the template is open, you can customize it if needed. To customize, use the tools on the left side for adjusting text, images, and colors. After finalizing your design, locate the Download button in the top right corner. Click on the Download button. A drop-down menu will appear, letting you choose the file type. Select the appropriate file format, such as PNG or PDF. After choosing your file type, click the Download button again. Your tailored onboarding screen template will start downloading to your device. Navigate to your Downloads folder to access the downloaded file. You can now use this template in your app development process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.